In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the E4 error in your HP DeskJet printers. So any printer having these buttons, and if it's showing up error, so there is a flashing light on the resume button. Also E4 error is flashing on the screen. Now this error is regarding the paper jam, or if there is no paper, or if the printer is not able to pick up a paper. So we simply go here, take all the paper out, and just have a look if any paper is stuck inside or not. Just simply close this side, open this front side, and also open this section. Have a look inside if there is any paper stuck inside or not. If you see anything, you can take it out. If everything is okay, simply pull the tray out, install the pages properly again. Now press the resume button and just wait for a few seconds. If the light stops blinking, that means we have sorted out the problem. Power lights should get stable after a few seconds as well. Here we can see the power light is stable. So this way we can fix the E4 error in HP DeskJet printers. Thanks for watching.